Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, February 19th, 19, oh, excuse me, February 19th, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. I started saying 19. For you history buffs, uh, today is the anniversary of the invasion of Iwo Jima in 1945, and I remember that because it was my father's birthday, and it is also he participated in that invasion and was very lucky to get out of it alive. Anyway, I'm showing you the long shot of the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and I've shown you this chart many times, but of course it's updated through today. Over here, end of September or beginning of October, not sure just the exact date there, we had the all-time record highs on the Dow, and then we had this horrible slide here of over 5,000 points, over 5,000 points, which climaxed on Christmas Eve day. And then since Christmas, we've had a spectacular rally here of over 4,000 points, and we almost made it to 26,000 today. We are so presently we are about 1,000 points from the all-time record highs, and we're over 4,000 points from the Christmas lows. So it's pretty obvious to me that we're going to break those highs sometime, and I hope fairly shortly, but this run up from the Christmas low to where we are on the close today is pretty straight up with almost no breaks in there. So it's not impossible that we could have a little mini correction here before we see these all-time highs again, but we'll just have to wait and see. Okay, we had the Dow only gained 8 points today, but on Friday it had gained over 400. So that's kind of why I'm showing you this chart again. We had a pretty good day. We didn't do so good on our closing out trades. We had negative $3,700 in our closed out trades. But we got into 9 new positions, 4 positive, 5 negative, but we're holding over $12,000 in positive open trade equity. So that looks really good. And we were actually up 16 or 17,000 on that with not too long to go before the close. It wouldn't surprise me if we will see at least those levels tomorrow for our exits. But knock on wood, you never know with the stock market. I'll show you 3 of our good trades. This first one is Overstock.com, and it really popped up this morning, and we grabbed it right away, pulled back just a little, and then it started climbing again, and then a little pullback at the end. Not too much there, but we are holding positive $2,600 in Overstock.com. Then this was even better. This is the gold mine bull JNUG, JNUG. Gold was up very strong today, gapped up we had bought this on Friday, the last 2 hours of the day, and then it gapped up really nicely this morning, and then just kept going from there. So we're holding $6,700 in gold mining on the close today. And then finally, the biggest one of the day, and I think this is a new stock. This is a new stock for us. I don't think I ever have shown it before, but we got into this. This is uh, Bristow Group Incorporated. Bristow Group Incorporated. That's BRS. And we got into this about the third hour. I pulled back just a tiny little bit right after we got in, and then it just screamed after that. A little bit of pullback at the end, but not too much at all there. And we're holding positive $7,000 in Bristow. So that looks fantastic. Anyway, so we got, as I say, we got over $12,000, but that was up to as high as $16,000 or $17,000. I'm looking for higher prices on these stocks tomorrow. We'll have to see. Anyway, that's the way it went. Good day. This Trader Bob signing off. I will be back here, of course, tomorrow on Wednesday.